Going on, folks? Oil change time. Oil change and some questions. Curious if, bro, come on. There we go. Kind of windy out to be doing this, but hey, damn. Curious. Anybody else is tired of all this political crap? As of all you ever hear about is, man, that wind is kicking. All you ever hear about is the rich and the middle class. What about those of us that are considered the working poor? You don't hear nothing about that. Well, you do hear a little bit about come on, big fella. A little bit about the, which is a good thing, I guess, the waitresses, people working on tips, I guess. Getting an increasement, at least here in Ohio. They're wanting to do it. Heard Kamala Harris talk about it a little bit, but I don't honestly pay much attention to her. I don't pay much attention to any of them, honestly, but I think they're all full of crap. But you never hear them talking about the working poor. It's always middle class this, middle class that. You know, if you know what I'm saying. What about where's my wrench? What about those of us that are out there every day killing it? You don't hear nothing about that. It's considered the working poor. You don't hear squat about the working poor. What are you going to do for us? Nothing. At least nothing I've heard. I mean, don't get me wrong, between me and my wife, we do alright. But we're still considered working poor. Only thing saving us right now is we paid off. Man, that wind is just killing it. Just recently paid off our truck. The one I'm doing the oil change on, to 2016 Silverado. Yeah, I'm gonna get down in there. But oh Jesus, making a mess. There we go. 2016 Silverado. We recently just paid it off back in October, I think August, beginning of September. So that's the only thing saving us. I can't imagine what it's like for someone that's not necessarily a lot of debt. Man, that wind is just making a mess of this. I should have put up a piece of cardboard. You know, you think you make, well, I'm just going off here in Ohio anyway. I don't know about the rest of the country. I'm sure it's pretty bad, but let's say you make, like I get paid every 2 weeks. I can't say how much I make an hour, but I'll get in trouble, but let's say if a person makes, let's say $20 an hour, you get paid every 2 weeks. Take out your health benefits, your taxes. You know, what's that going to leave you with? Probably close to $900. Maybe, guys, it kind of depends on your health care. We'll say $800 to $900 a paycheck. So you're looking at roughly, we'll even just go off $2,000 a month if you're lucky. Man, you ain't making it. If you're single, if you're having to pay rent around here, you're looking at anywhere from $1,000 to $15 a hundred, $1,000 to $1,500 a month just in rent. That's insane. That's not counting, like your car. If you have a car, if you're lucky enough to have a car, then you got your insurance, your maintenance, utilities, groceries. You have a cell phone, you got a cell phone payment, But you just don't hear nothing about the working poor, man. What are they gonna do for the working poor? I don't ever hear them talking about working poor at all. It's always middle class complaining about the rich people not paying enough taxes. That's all you ever hear. I think I'm wearing most of this. This thing holds 8 quarts. Well, it's like 7 point, just shy of 8. Freaking V6. Anyway, curious of people's input on that. I know you guys don't reply to a lot of my videos, but I'd like an explanation on that. I mean, it's just so expensive to do anything anymore. It's like we love camping. We usually go out to Springfield, Ohio, home of the Haitians that are eating everything apparently, and which I shouldn't say that. I have no honest opinion on that. But Buck Creek State Park, it's a great campground. We usually go out there 3-4 times a year, but it's so expensive to do anything now. We haven't even been able to go once this year. Can't afford it. I just don't know how people are making it. And part of the reason we're wanting to move, if you've seen that in one of the other videos I was doing, I was talking about that. And it's the other thing. Anybody out there know anything about barn dominiums? That's what we found. We found a killer deal on some land, but apparently the house is considered a barn dominium. So our lender is throwing a fit. Can't do anything with us, help us out, and then it's a whole nother county, and we can't find anybody in that county that does anything with them. Apparently it's something new that's on the market, and no one knows how to appraise them. Even if it has a built on a concrete slab, they want everything built on a brick foundation. But I don't know. Anybody knows anything about that, I appreciate some input. Cause man, I hate to lose it. This is something that's not even on the market. And the guy is like so patient working with us, which I really, really appreciate. And the cost of living down there is not like dramatically cheaper than here, but it is a lot cheaper than being in Columbus. Columbus, you got to deal with so much stuff. Unless you're rich, then you can get in the good part of Columbus. But working poor, you're suffering. You're stuck in it's all ghetto now. But yeah, we've got to get out of here. It's just everything we find down there is really good deals. It's just a lot of them. It's older houses is considered a barn dominium, but which we are kind of clueless on. So anybody out there has any input on that, I'd appreciate it. And I don't know. Never heard of it before until now. I just think it drained every time. I am covered in this. But anyway, changing oil usually ain't this bad. I got a heck of a breeze right now. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but it is trying to blow this oil everywhere. Got this freaking sway bar It's like right here catching it too. Mother Nature's not working with me. But that is our current dilemma. Definitely use some assistance on that. Anyway, these trucks, it's, like I was saying, it's a 2016 Silverado. It's got the 4.3, holds just shy, 8 quarts of oil. So I usually run the good stuff in it, but times are getting tough, man. Still full synthetic, but I got the Walmart brand. It's at what is this? Super Tech 530 full synthetic. So I run in my work car. I've always ran mobile in this. Comes the breeze. Always had good luck with mobile. I've actually had good luck with Super Tech as well. Some pretty good studies out there on it. Just because it's from Walmart doesn't mean it's trash oil. There's actually a guy on YouTube. I can't remember his farm something, but he's really good, man. He breaks down a lot of stuff, and Super Tech actually ranks right up there with the good ones, especially for the value. Man, who thought 8 quarts it took this long to drain out? Honestly, actually, it drains pretty quick if there's no wind. As far as oil filter goes, I know everybody loves K&N and all of them, but that's not going to happen this run. Just too broke. There we go. But I don't know, you guys give me some input, man. It's if you know anything about foreign dominiums anyway. How do you feel about working poor not being included in any conversations? I think they should. I mean, 'cause you got good, hard, honest, working people out there. It's like me, my job. I drive a forklift for a living. And I've been with the same company 28 years this month. Doesn't pay the world's best, but we got really good benefits, which is a plus. That, if anybody's wondering, drain plug, 15 millimeter. But this video honestly is just for some input on how other people feel. I mean, how do you honestly feel about the way this country's going? You got immigrants. It's kind of telling you, man, this country. I love the U.S., but this country, man, is going in the freaking toilet. Get a little bit of oil on there. And make sure before you put your oil filter on Your old gasket is on your old filter. Oh. Man, this is a crap design. And it is best, I think, personally. I don't know how true it is. I've always done it. Put oil in your filter before you put it back on the block. Help eliminate dry start some. As a teenager, I used to work for who the hell was it? Jiffy Lube. Man, those guys, oh no. My dad was a mechanic when I was growing up. Nice snug fit. We always, working in his shop, put oil in them filters. There we go. Not too tight, not too loose. But helps eliminate dry starts. I worked for them guys, man. They just have you put the oil filters on, fill up the pan, you fire that motor up, click, 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 yeah, until it build up the pressure. Didn't work for them long. Couldn't stand it. Felt like they were screwing people. But that's that. Top the oil off, and we'll reset it. All right. This camera out of the way here. Without shutting it off. Come on, big fella. Come on. Alright. We'll get up top and top her off. Alright. Let's try to get some liquid dinosaur in this thing. Not spilling it everywhere. I was saying this thing takes just shy of 8 quarts. It's pretty wild considering it's a V6. My old Avalanche, it had the 8.1 in it, man. That thing only took 8 quarts. And he's got a heck of an oil pan on it. But anywho, you guys watch this. I want you to really post on there how you really feel about politics, including the working poor in this situation for this election. I honestly don't think they do enough, man. And you got people out there that's killing it, you know. 40 hours plus a week. They're hardly even surviving. And I googled it. You can Google it for your state. And as far as what's considered working poor, middle class, and stuff like that, and just get on Google, put it in. Ours actually changed, and according to what I was reading online, 2023 it did change some. So as of 2023, where I'm at, the working poor as 100 and let's say like 109, 110,000 a year or something like that. If you make that or less, you consider working poor. Just above it is grab this oil. Just above that is the lower part of the middle class. So I don't know how they justify that, because everything's so expensive, man. It's just mind-boggling. Some people, I don't know how they do it. It's amazing. I know around here, homeless population is climbing. People losing their houses. foreclosures. Just because the cost of living is so high, man, that people just can't do it. Living off their credit cards. Which I can't say much. There for a while we was doing the same thing. Now it's, where we at? Yep, that should do it right there. But the only thing that's saving us is we recently paid the truck off, so now it's playing catch up on getting our credit cards paid off, because we was in the same scenario. Just couldn't do it. Cost of living so high. All right, we'll get this fired up, check the oil, and reset the gauge on the inside to show 100% oil life. Alright, let's see if I can remember how to do this. So here's our change oil soon. Here's your knob. We got speed. Come on. Oh, hey, this thing's still only got 94,000 miles on it. Trip. Fuel range. Average fuel economy. Hey, not bad. Half-ton full-size truck. Tire pressure. Remaining oil life 0. Press to reset. So you turn your knob to the right to go through, cycle through. Hold it in or push it in. Are you sure you want to reset? Sure. Push it. What we got? Remaining oil life 100%. And after you do that, sitting here running. I highly doubt it's doing it, but we're going to go check. Let's see. We got any leaks? Shouldn't. A hell of a mess. All that ain't from me. But you can see no leaks. We're good. Get that cleaned up. Throw some cat litter on that. And we're good. Shit, something really needs cleaned. But that's how you do it. More of a rant video than anything else, but thanks for watching, you guys. Give me some input on what you guys think about the working poor not being included in politics. It's always middle class and the rich. I want to know what they think about those of us who are out here killing it 40 hours a week plus and can't even survive. That's what I want to hear about. All right. Catch you guys at the next one.